Okay, today we're going to go through our algebra review for Unit G. So really what's key here is that we want to only combine like terms. And like terms even have to have the same exponent. So if we look at this first one, r to the fifth is like terms only with other r to the fifths. Whatever sign is in front is glued to the number behind it. So this is really a negative 5 r to the fifth. Or look, I have a negative 12 r to the fourth and a negative 9 r to the fourth. And then this r cubed is all by itself. And this 3 is all by itself. So now when I combine these, negative 10 r to the fifth and negative 5 r to the fifth is negative 15 r to the fifth. Then I have negative 12 r to the fourth and negative 9 r to the fourth is negative 21 r to the fourth. And then I'm just going to write the rest on the end because there's nothing to combine it with. Okay, so number 2, it looks like I have some k to the third powers, some k squareds, and again I'm highlighting whatever sign is in front of it too. And then some k to the first. So if I combine my green ones, negative 7k cubed and negative 8k cubed is negative 15k cubed. Negative 3k squared and negative 4k squared is negative 7k squared. And 2k negative 7k is negative 5k. Okay, the difference. What I like to do immediately here is change all of the signs in the second one. So this is now a negative 3n cubed, a plus 2n to the fifth, and a plus 4n. And now I'm going to highlight my like terms. So 2n to the fifth, 2n to the fifth, 4n and 3n, and then negative n cubed and negative 3n cubed. So 2n to the fifth plus 2n to the fifth is 4n to the fifth. Negative 3n cubed minus 3n cubed is negative 4n cubed. And 3n plus 4n is 7n. I'm going to do the same thing here. The very first thing I'm going to do is change all the signs in my second group of parentheses here. So now we have a negative 5b cubed plus 8b to the fifth plus 4b. So 6b to the fifth and negative 5, and 8b to the fifth. Negative 3b cubed and negative 5b cubed, and then 5b and 4b. So 6b to the fifth plus 8b to the fifth is 14b to the fifth. Negative 3b cubed and negative 5b cubed is negative 8b cubed. And 5b plus 4b is 9b. All right, some distributive property here. I'm going to draw in my arrows, which remind me to multiply both pieces inside my parentheses. So this would be positive 15b minus 15. Okay, same thing here, except now I have some exponents going on. So negative 5 times 5 is negative 25. R squared times r is r cubed. You can add your exponents. 2 plus 1 is 3 total. Then here I'd have a plus 20r squared. Okay, multiplying polynomials. So you might have learned FOIL, which means you multiply the front, you multiply the outside, inside, and last. But a tool we used when we learned to FOIL was called the box method. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put some boxes in here. Okay, so I'm going to put one polynomial on the top, so 4x and 6, 4x and 2, and then you're going to multiply. So 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x times 6 is 24x. 4x times 2 is 8x. And 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, what's nice about the box method, now you can combine your like terms diagonally. So my final answer would be 16x squared plus 32x plus 12. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on number 2. I have negative v and negative 8, 5v and negative 2. So this would be negative 5v squared. This would be negative 40v. Here we would have positive 2v, and here we would have positive 16. So again, we can combine like terms on our diagonal. So I would have negative 5v squared minus 38v plus 16. All right, when you have a square, that just means you're doing the same polynomial twice. So I'm going to put 3 in and 5 on both sides. So here I would have 9n squared. Here I would have 15n and 15n. Then lastly, I have 25. So that would be 9n squared plus 30n plus 25. Okay, last one for our notes today. We have 5x and negative 4, 5x and negative 4. So here I would have 25x squared. Here I would have negative 20x and negative 20x. And then lastly, I'd have positive 16. So that would be 25x squared minus 40x plus 16. All right, your homework is to do the Unit G yellow pages in the back of this book.